Welcome back to Capital Appliance Repair Podcast. Capital Appliance Repair is your most trusted appliance repair company in Ottawa and the surrounding area. You can book our expert technicians by calling 613-454-1577. That's 613-454-1577. Today we're talking about washer and dryer maintenance tips. When you stop to think about everything we put our washer and dryer through, it becomes clear that we demand a lot from these appliances. Unfortunately, we also tend to give them the least amount of attention on the maintenance end of things. At best, this kind of unintentional neglect can negatively impact the performance of your machines. At worst, they can become significant, dangerous hazards in your home. Simple maintenance can cover a wide range of potential problems. While serious repairs should always be left up to the professionals, there are a number of small things you can do on your own. You don't have to be an expert with appliances either. Simple care tips for washers and dryers. A washer and dryer combo remains a considerable investment for any home. Trusting our experts at Capital Appliance Repair with the major problems is a great way to protect that investment. At the same time, there are a number of things you can do on your own that can go a long way towards optimizing the lifespan of your machines. Number one, getting rid of dryer lint. This is one of the simplest suggestions on the list. Not to sound alarmist, but it is a fact that thousands of home fires are caused by an abundance of lint in the dryer. Again, the best case scenario is a severe decrease in performance. At worst, your dryer can catch on fire. Offset either of those possibilities by cleaning out your lint trap after every use. You can also make it a point to find out if there are any other places throughout your dryer in which lint accumulates. Damp cloths. It's easy to forget you have a load in the wash that needs to be moved to the dryer. Still, try to make it a point to move wet laundry from the washer as quickly as possible. This is a good way to prevent lint buildup. A simple inspection. If you are concerned that you may not be able to spot something problematic on your own, don't be afraid to contact us. Barring that, you can perform a simple inspection of your washing machine every month or so. This inspection should include looking for anything along your hoses that might qualify as tight fitting, bulge, crack, or leak. Your hoses should be replaced every 5 years as a matter of course. If they are damaged, they should be replaced at once. Does the motor need replacing? This is another possibility where we would suggest having a professional handle the work involved. The last thing in the world you want to do is cause damage to your dryer that exacerbates the problem or even causes the dryer to stop working altogether. If the dryer is making a loud, rumbly noise and is no longer drying clothes very well, the motor is almost certainly the culprit. Replacing the motor is a fairly straightforward endeavor. Many homeowners find it easy enough to complete the task. Check the vent flaps. If you have a leaky dryer, there's a good chance that you're going to notice the presence of cool or cold drafts. If this is the case, cleaning and lubricating the vent flaps can accomplish a great deal. If this doesn't work, you may need to replace the vent entirely. Lastly, the exhaust duct line. Once a year, consider the notion of having the whole exhaust duct line replaced. This would extend from the dryer to the exterior. In conclusion, if you find your washer and or dryer continuing to malfunction even after the tips above, remember that here at Capital Appliance Repair in Ottawa, we can help you. Contact us anytime at 613-454-1577 to get started now. That's 613-454-1577 to book one of our expert technicians. Thank you for listening to Capital Appliance Repair Podcast.